Good day, friends. Derek, that ADU guy here, and I'm on site of another beautiful ADU by Suncrest Homes. I'm going to walk around and share with everybody what's going on here. So we've got a nice little compact kitchen. This is an 800 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath custom ADU. You can see stainless steel appliances, full thickness quartz countertops, beautiful little farm sink. I love the charm of the clear vertical grain Douglas fir door. Lots of cabinets, big pantry, there's a full-size fridge, a vaulted ceiling here in this great room, recessed lighting, nice fan. There's a 6-0 slider out to a patio that overlooks a little stream. On-demand natural gas heater here for ambiance, just flip a switch. Love the wide plank hardwood flooring. Everything's really compact. Nice little bathroom here, fiberglass tub, shower surround, 24-inch vanity, in-unit washer and dryer. So this is obviously a must. If you follow any of my content, you'll know that we always put a washer and dryer in everything, as do they. Like the 3-panel shaker doors, good color in here. Even though it's a small bedroom, it lives really well because it's got such a tall ceiling. Check out these cool reading lamps that they have on the bed wall. Those are awesome. Hardwood throughout, except for the bedrooms. There's a tight woven Berber. Into the master, a little bit bigger closet in here. There's a 6-0 bypass closet, some storage up here in the top of the vault. And then there's actually an in-suite bathroom here. So master bedroom, master bath, 36-inch walk-in shower surround. A few things you always hear me talk about are vaulted ceilings, lots of natural light. The aspect of the ADU is very important, and that means where are you pointing it so it absorbs the most passive solar, the most natural light. So this here is the south wall, and then these walls are going to let a bunch of light come in because this is going to be all afternoon sun, and then late afternoon sun through the front of the house. So if you can, it's always nice to point your ADU strategically at your solar aspect so you can take advantage of light as well as heating in the wintertime. That's something we always think about if we're looking to build to an Earth Advantage standard. Hope everybody's having a good day. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. You can always like and subscribe. It helps me bring you more content just like this. And more than anything, just start planning your ADU.